Understanding the phrase, looking flawless. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, looking flawless. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, in movies, or on social media. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how and when to use it. So let's get started. Looking flawless is a two-word phrase that combines the verb, looking, and the adjective, flawless. The verb, looking, is used in its continuous tense, indicating an ongoing action or state. On the other hand, flawless is an adjective that means without any blemishes, defects, or imperfections. So, when put together, looking flawless describes a state of appearing perfect or without any faults. The phrase, looking flawless, is often used in contexts where appearance is discussed. It's a compliment that implies someone looks perfect or extremely good. For example, if someone is dressed very well for an event, you might say, "You are looking flawless tonight." It's important to note that this phrase is not just limited to physical appearance. It can also be used metaphorically to describe something done exceptionally well. In different cultures, the concept of looking flawless can have various connotations. In some societies, it might be associated with high beauty standards, while in others, it's a casual compliment. It's also popular in fashion and beauty contexts and is frequently seen in advertising and social media. Understanding the cultural background of your audience is key when using this phrase. Let's look at some examples to see how looking flawless is used in sentences. 1. Despite the long flight, she arrived looking flawless. 2. Your presentation was looking flawless. Everyone was impressed. 3. He managed to complete the project with a flawless result. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, looking flawless, and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context and culture surrounding them. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use this phrase in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.